Guys, my name is Harrison. We are going to Boston. The all engines go. Thomas, Lucy, Dan, Canna. And also we have Yumbell, because I didn't buy that in November 30th. Let's open it. Whoa. A Reese couplers are the number 3 cup.
Number 3, is that the large?
Yes.
Well, Mommy said that you have to get a small, didn't she?
She did.
Okay, what about a medium?
Settle for
The number 2 cup.
Yeah, how about a medium?
Okay.
And a lot of coolers on top?
Yeah.
What kind you want? I didn't hear him. What kind does he want?
That he always
Reese couplers are.
Reese cup.
Blizzard, whipped cream.
Yep. Alright. If you need anything, whoa, look at all those train. Push along, Thomas. Push along, Canna. Push along, Pussy. I like this face. It looks different.
Okay, now show me some trains. Let me see what I can see.
We
Don't
could
open them till we get home. I
water.
want to see them.
Yeah, I opened them, so I was.
You opened all of them?
I'm allowed to open them in the car, just like mommy.
I wanted you to wait till we got to the house so I could see them.
I'll show you now.
Let me see. This is one set.
No, it's not a track. It's the push along. I got a picture.
These are the push along.
Mhm.
Okay. And what else did you get?
A Yumbell.
Let me see. A young bell. What's next her name? Her name is Young. What is her name? Young Bao.
Yumbell.
Young Bao.
Yumbell. Yumbell.
Is she Chinese or Japanese?
He's a train.
I know, but she's Japanese.
I think so.
I think she's Japanese.
Yeah.
And what else?
That's all?
Just these two?
Yeah.
How much were these?
Not bad.
Not bad?
No, not 100. These are the right ones because I have chores to do.
Tomorrow we're going to empty the dishwasher. That'll be one chore. I'll take $5.
Thanks. Yumbell.
Kick it out front to Robinson, swing to Rose. 8 to shoot, steps back, left baseline jumper, no good. Across the basket to Adrian Nelson of Youngstown State. 16:45 to go in the game. Head coach Jared Calhoun wants his team to get it up the floor quickly. Looking for their first double-digit lead of the night now. Cohill. Feeds to Green, starts sideline. Green against Trey Robinson. To the left to right. Gets the
Ooh, la.
Going Greenway. Warriors do now lead 45 to 34. Up by 11.
Almost.
Timeout, Northern Kentucky. 16:23 to play in the game. YSU has never lost this year.
Oh, there we go.
They're up to 11 with a timeout at the Penguin Sports Network. Celery, a pizza, and Italian restaurant.
Yumbell. You like this face? Also, he's different. I like that. Don't worry about that. I'll clean it up. When there's a grenade on the blizzard, you could just pull boxes out. Oh. Thank you. You gonna come with to me? Alright. That's what we like to watch. Those kids' toys play. Bye.